Remember in Baharech, it was the human-animal conflict, the man-eating wolves that were targeting little children, specifically in the villages, and had led to a lot of fear among the villagers. We are told that this is the fifth man-eater wolf who has been rescued by the Forest Department in Uttar Pradesh. All sources had been placed for the wolf rescue that were being monitored, instructions given to minimize response time in case there's a sighting. So it looks like that the Forest Department has been able to establish a certain coordination. I want to immediately go across to my colleagues who've been tracking this incident. Samarth Srivastav joins me on this. Samarth, you've been on the ground, so you understand the concerns of the villagers as well. Tell us more about this fifth rescue that happens. What happens here on? How will they resolve this issue?
Well, exactly. The Forest Department tried hard for the previous week and we saw around 2 weeks happen but no capture taking place. But now, after hard work by the forest officials, because they were forming day to night, so that was the effort being put by forest officials. And now finally the fifth wolf has been captured, has been rescued by the Forest Department in another combing operation we see by the forest rangers. It has been put inside the cage and will be taken to the DFO office in the Baharech, and later on it will be shifted to some zoo like the previous three other wolves. So it's going to be worth seeing because villagers are quite scary about the back-to-back incidents that happened to them, either the deaths or the injuries. So that's very massive, the capture, but it's going to be worth seeing because the sixth one is still fleeing, and whether it's the man-eater wolf or the one being captured, being rescued is the man-eater wolf. It's going to be worth seeing. We have to wait for the official version of the Forest Department, but what's confirmed is the capture is a rescue of that particular number fifth wolf, which was in a way targeting the humans, especially the kids throughout the range.
So the wolves have been caught, but remember the issue is way bigger and that will also have to be understood and investigated further. It's about the land areas changing, it's about the encroachments, but importantly it's the animal-human conflict, and why cannot be there a coexistence in this case?